Hey friends! Achieve a showroom quality shine while protecting your delicate paintwork with these highly absorbent, ultra-soft, and professional-grade microfiber detailing towels. In this video, we're taking a look at the best Car Microfiber towels in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Rag Company Car Microfiber Towels. Engineered for ultimate efficiency, these professional-grade drying towels utilize a unique patented twist-loop fiber architecture that draws moisture away from your vehicle's surface with incredible speed. Boasting a massive 900 GSM weight and crafted from premium South Korean AA-grade split microfiber, they can absorb more than 10 times their weight in water. The trademarked, butter-soft, suede borders add a luxurious touch that prevents any potential marring on sensitive clear coats. Because these towels actually soften further with every single wash, they represent a long-term investment for serious detailers who demand a streak-free, mirror-like finish every time. Their heavy-duty construction ensures they remain the gold standard for enthusiasts who prioritize paint safety and rapid, scratch-free drying during their maintenance routine. Next up, our second product, the Chemical Guys Car Microfiber Towels. These professional-grade 16 by 16-inch cleaning cloths are the go-to choice for enthusiasts who need a reliable, high-quality solution for delicate detailing tasks. Featuring a plush, dense microfiber blend, they effortlessly lift away dust, wax residues, and polish without causing those dreaded swirl marks on your paint or chrome. The robust, stitched edges are specifically reinforced to resist fraying, ensuring these towels stand up to hundreds of intensive wash cycles. Their high-pile fibers are not just incredibly absorbent for drying but also excel at buffing interior surfaces to a perfect, clean sheen. By using this professional 3-pack, you can easily color-code your detailing process, ensuring that your interior, exterior, and drying towels never cross-contaminate for the best possible automotive results. Coming in at number 3, the Chemical Guys Car Microfiber Towels. This 6-pack of extra-large 24 by 16-inch towels provides massive surface coverage, making them ideal for tackling large SUVs, trucks, or even marine vessels with ease. The ultra-soft, high-pile construction is purposefully designed to minimize the number of passes required to remove wax or sealants, significantly reducing the risk of accidental scratches. Because they are exceptionally versatile, they perform just as well on glass and plastic interior trim as they do on exterior paint. The durable material is engineered to withstand heavy use while maintaining its signature softness, ensuring your detailing kit is always stocked with high-performing tools. These are the ultimate everyday workhorses for anyone who wants a streak-free, showroom-ready appearance on every single surface of their vehicle. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Idea Car Microfiber Towels. Perfectly suited for all-purpose cleaning, these premium quality cloths offer incredible value and utility for both your automotive interior and household needs. They are remarkably absorbent, acting like a vacuum for spills and grime, and are completely lint-free to ensure a flawless finish on glass or polished dashboards. The vibrant 5-color coating system allows you to organize your cleaning tasks effectively, preventing you from using a dirty towel on your pristine clear coat. Despite their soft feel, they are impressively tough, capable of being washed hundreds of times without shrinking or losing their effective cleaning capabilities. Whether you are dusting the dashboard or performing a final wipe down after a wash, these versatile, cost-effective towels are indispensable essentials for every well-equipped garage. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Sega Car Microfiber Towels. Featuring a smart dual-sided design, these towels offer a plush side for lifting away grit and a smoother side for precision buffing and waxing. This versatility makes them perfect for achieving that gleaming, professional-level finish on cars, motorcycles, or even household appliances. Constructed from a high-performance polyester and nylon blend, they are designed to soak up moisture instantly, leaving behind absolutely zero streaks or irritating lint residue. The generous 40 by 60 cm size ensures you have plenty of fabric to work with, while the reinforced edges guarantee these towels will survive up to 500 machine washes. This 6-pack provides a consistent, high-quality detailing experience that saves you time and effort while keeping your vehicle's exterior and interior looking consistently immaculate. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.